Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this guided meditation to help you connect to your guides and receive their wisdom, messages, and insights. To begin, come to a comfortable lying position, either in your bed, your sofa, anywhere that's comfortable and quiet. Settling in, using any props you need to help you feel warm, comfortable, and cozy. Perhaps a blanket on top of you, a pillow underneath your head, perhaps something to cover your eyes. Now stretch your legs out and let your feet flop to the sides. Bring your arms by your sides, palms facing up. If that doesn't feel good for you, feel free to place your hands on your belly. Make any adjustments to find your most comfortable position. Feeling cradled and held by the support of the earth beneath you. We'll begin with 3 big cleansing breaths. Take a big inhale. Side out, and again. One more. Allow your lips to come together, breathing in and out through your nose. And with every exhale, allow any tension to drain from the body. Feeling your body sinking deeper and deeper with every exhale. The whole of you settling down. The muscles, the tissues, the bones, heavy, settling deep into the earth. Every cell in every part of your body settling down, softening. Your mind softening, letting go. Feel your forehead relax, your eyes, your tongue, and your jaw completely letting go. Feel your shoulders relax, melting down, your arms, your hands, the belly, the hips, the legs, completely letting go. Feeling your whole body letting go with every exhale, sinking deeper and deeper. Now bring your awareness to your third eye, slightly above the point in between your eyebrows. Imagine and sense yourself walking barefoot down a path through a forest. Feel the earth and the soft grass beneath your feet. Breathe in the scent and energy of the forest. Green all around you. Fresh air and the sound of birds in the trees. Walk slowly, letting your feet kiss the earth. Continue walking, and as you round a bend in the path, it opens into a clearing. In the center of the clearing is a cottage with flowers in the windows. It looks inviting and you're immediately drawn to it. Walk towards this cottage, and as you do, you see smoke curling up from the chimney. And as you approach the door, it slowly opens. Your guide steps forward and welcomes you with open arms, excited to see you. You feel love and light and warmth radiating from your guide. You might ask your guide for a name if you wish. Your guide invites you in. Do not worry if you cannot see them clearly. Just feel the energy that is there. You step through the door, knowing you're safe and loved and welcome here. You sit down on a soft rug by an open fire, feeling cozy, warm, safe, and loved. Your guide sits in front of you. You feel such a deep connection. You feel the love and the light radiating from your guide, merging with your own energy. And know in this space you can ask anything you'd like from your guide. Perhaps you have a specific question, or perhaps you just want to receive any messages your guide might have for you. Letting yourself be receptive to however your guide wants to communicate. Perhaps through images or feelings or symbols. Opening yourself up to receive the wisdom of your guide. Now your guide gives you a box, and you know inside this box is a gift just for you. This gift will be in a form of maybe an object, maybe a symbol, maybe a word. Lift up the lid and see what's inside. What does your guide want you to carry with you? Wants you to really know and understand. Sitting here in silence for a few more moments as more and more is revealed to you. It's time now to make your way home, but know that you can always return to your guide whenever you wish. Your guide will always be there, ready to help, ready to guide you along your path. Take a moment here to express gratitude to your guide for their love, guidance, and messages, and for this gift just for you. Feeling the energy of your guide one final time, saying your goodbye in whatever feels appropriate for you. Make your way out of the cottage and back into the forest, walking along the path, going home, carrying within you all the wisdom, the love, the guidance of your guides. Take a nice big inhale and let it go. You might wish to remain here for a few more moments, basking in any feelings, any residual energy you feel from your guides. Start to connect to the natural rhythm of your breath. And slowly begin to awaken the body. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie, and I'm so excited and so grateful that you're here with me on my channel. I release a new video every week, so if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And come back to this practice anytime you'd like to connect to your guides. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.